Alright, so I already did one apartment. This is the second apartment I'm working on right now. It's a lot of stuff I already patched up a hole over there. It's a lot of things. The only problem is gonna be is this closet is it's painted like a violent color. Or lavender. No, not lavender. This is like a purplish violet. And I got all my little goodies here to eat, whatever. My radio. I gotta do this whole apartment. Yeah, some more stuff, you know. I got this side to do now. This whole thing's falling down. Whoever was living here, whatever, it's caving down. So I gotta fix all this. And this is the bathroom. I gotta fix all that too as well. All this in here, the closet in here. I gotta paint. There's 4 holes over here, which I gotta cover up in a few. And yeah, so there's a lot of work to be done here. And this other closet as well. So let me get to work, and I'll show you the results later on. So I was painting and I discovered this little thing right here. This is so cute. It's a little shopping cart. And you know me, I love little stuff. Little mini things. It's cute. It's missing wheels and stuff. It's missing one wheel. And I guess it's missing the back as well. I would have took it, but nah. I would have took it just to have it at my little collections. Little mini collections. It's cute though, I like it. Never seen a little shopping cart. Oh, the story of the little shopping cart. Alright, so I started this apartment not so long ago, and I'm basically almost done with everything. Look, the ceilings. This, I still gotta hit it up in the edges though, but everything's looking cool. And the bathroom's done already, as you can see. The bathroom's done. It looks awesome. I gotta do this closet. This room, every molding is done here as well. Ceiling, everything. All I have to do is hit it up with the gray, and everything's finished. Yeah, so basically you can see I did this apartment already in one day, you know. But it's gonna take me 2 days though, so. For cleaning and fixing other stuff. This, I gotta paint everything white and then do the gray molding on this side. The only problem is gonna be this one. Alright, so this is the second day. Right now, I'm hitting up the edges, gray. So, yeah, I did all this right now. And then from there, I start doing the top. And then I'm gonna hit everything up real fast so this room can be painted as soon as possible. This is my second day today, so it'll be done by another day, which I'm not gonna be able to do it another day because my wife gets surgery. So I'm gonna have to do it next following Tuesday, next week. So yeah, today's Tuesday, I guess. Yeah, I guess it is Tuesday. But anyways, yeah. So yeah, it's looking good. Alright, so basically you already see that I got this wall done. My boss got me a high-class roller right there. It's really expensive. He got me a nice roller, yo. And actually he got me 2 nice rollers. He got me that one. This is a good roller. It rolls fast and paints faster. And he gave me this one. This is the newest version. So yeah, I'm in love with this. And so basically I'm gonna knock this down. I'm gonna knock all this out within 10 minutes. Everything here is gonna be done within 10 minutes. Everything. So I already did the edges, and with this roller, I'll do it so fast that it's awesome. Like, I can't explain it, but you already know. So, holla. Alright, so I'm fixing this closet right now. Taking out a whole bunch of these things, which I already took basically most of them out. These hooks. So basically, I gotta paint this whole closet white, and it's gonna take like a couple of coats to do. So, yeah, some of these beams, these shelves, I have to replace. I have to take them out actually because there's a lot of them. So there's only 4 boards here, and there should be 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't know where there's another board. I don't want to see another board, so we'll take this out. Now I gotta put some plastering around it and make it look brand new. Also gotta take some of these nails out. Get some of these nails out. Yeah, take this last hook out. People downstairs must be like, what the hell's going on up there? So, there you go. Well, I got my plaster ready. I gotta seal up all these things. A whole bunch of holes, especially these things that I knocked down. And this big hole right there. Somebody was using this as a sound booth. Look at the microphone they was using. The microphone they was using for a sound booth. And yeah, I guess they was trying to make music here. They must have succeeded because they moved out. So now they got probably a bigger studio and stuff, you know. So I'm fixing this closet for the next person that's gonna build a studio in here. Well, that's funny. Oh man, what people do in their apartments, huh? Well, I plastered everything. I'm letting some parts dry. I already painted some edges right now, so there you go. It's gonna be a beat to paint this whole thing. I gotta do like 3 coats or so. All right, so now basically half of the apartment is already done. This is the closet I gotta do afterwards. I'll probably do that now because it's faster and it's already like a beige color. So this will pick up the white real fast. I already plastered some parts already, sand them down, and everything looks cool. Okay, so I finished the apartment right now. I'm painting the bathtub. And everything else is clean. This room is nice. The floor is glossed. The closet is good. Everything else I took out. In the end, I gotta put some light fixtures up in a few. And empty out this whole kitchen. So everything else is nice and clean, brand new, nice and painted. So I'm done here. I just took out this towel, ceiling towel, put a brand new one. Now I'm about to take this light fixture, put a brand new one in, and everything will look cool. Alright, so let me get to finish painting this right here.